What's going on, guys? PD Shops here, Outdoor Crew FL. Today we're going to be installing these heavy duty roof racks. They're lightweight, 220 pound capacity on my 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Let's give it a go. All right, guys, so as you can see, this has a super sleek design. These are meant to be low profile, which helps with aerodynamics and also the aesthetics of the car, so how it looks. In the bag, it does come with all the tools you need. So you have your Allen wrenches and you have your bolts. It does come with these adhesive sticky pads that you're gonna put on your brackets. Super easy installation. It has it labeled R, it's gonna go on the right side of your vehicle facing forward. L is gonna go on the left side of your vehicle facing forward. Same thing for your crossbars. It's also listed, so it tells you where it's gonna go on the vehicle. So this over here says rear, and this is gonna be facing forward. So this is gonna go on the back, and this is gonna be facing the front of your vehicle. It does have adjustable screws on each side. It will allow you to properly adjust the tension on your crossbars, so you can make sure you have that nice, tight, and secure fit. You have your Allen wrenches and your bolts. First thing you're gonna wanna do is take out your adjusting screws so we can mount our brackets onto the crossbars. So since this is the rear, it's gonna be facing forward, we're gonna take our left bracket. It's gonna slide on like so, line up your holes, and then reinsert your adjusting screws. Since we put the left one on this side, this is going to be the right. Line up those holes, reinsert your adjustable washer and screw. Make sure you just hand tighten these for now because we're going to adjust them once we put them on the roof itself. So since that one's done, move on to the front bracket. So this is the front of the vehicle. It's going to be facing this way. This side is going to be our left. We're going to go ahead and place our left one on. Line it up. Washer and screw. Insert into the holes and hand tighten. What we're going to do now, take those adhesive pads. They have tabs on them. Move little hole inserts. Take off the backing and line it up. Make sure it's on there nice and firm. Repeat on all sides. Again, take out those middle tabs. Peel off the backing. Line it up. Press down firmly. Now that our crossbars are put together, time to install them on the Jeep. So guys, one thing you must do before you can actually install the crossbars is you have to remove these little rivet tabs. So your Jeep should have a total of 6 pairs of these. Simple way to get it out, I use a little panel instrument tool. They pop right out. All right, guys, well, your roof rack should be able to adjust freely since we only hand tightened. Rest it against the vehicle where the holes are. Take your supplied screws. I like to use a little socket tool I have at the end just so I get that extra snug. Once that's nice and snug, since I'm already on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and install the rear section. Again, guys, make sure you have everything lined up properly. It should move freely. Line it up. Take 2 of your screws from the supplied pack. Line up your hole, insert your screw. Get that started, hand tighten. Insert your second one. Make sure it's nice and tight. And now we go on to the other side. Make sure you pull out any slack you might have. Should again just move freely because we have not tightened our adjusting screws yet. I really like the design on this rack. Definitely gives it a more sleek look with the edges on the mounting brackets. So those are snug down tight. All right, guys, now we're over here. We have one final step on this bracket on both sides. Now we have to tighten the adjusting screws underneath. So you're gonna take that smaller Allen wrench and tighten down. Once you have that side down, I like to remove my stickers because now I know what side it's on and I'm not gonna need that no more. Little trick, when you take a tab off, if you have any glue up here, use that same tab, comes right off. Let's get this front one down. Those are locked down nice and good, nice and tight. Once that's in, Take our small Allen wrench and we're going to tighten down our adjusting screws. It's not going anywhere. Move that sticker. Peels right up. Again, anything's left, use that same sticker and just give it a couple taps. Comes right off. On to the last part. Our adjusting screws. Tighten these up. Just nice and tight. I like the low profile on this. Not going anywhere. Very nice. Move that sticker, and this install is complete. I love the way these look. These came out nice, and they are super low profile.